Hustle Entertainment, big up to all my fans and big up to everyone. You understand? Right now, people, we just see a video on media. You understand? This gentleman say him work for the people them. He work. You understand? And chat work him do. You understand? Yeah, with the people them and the people them don't want to pay him. This old man could go in front of the van and stand up him and hold back the van. Jesus, peace. Hold my head when I see him. I swear to God, I say people hold my head when I see him. I tell you, say people, why these Jamaican people love to work people and don't want to pay them? Eh? Why? Tell me that. Why Jamaican people love trust and just love real people and don't want to pay them and pay them. And that's why I mean that prefer for hustle. Go hustle, stand up in a sun and sell what me fi sell. Sell the peanut, sell the banana, sell peanut cake, do everything. Me not like work for some people, cause them not like pay. You understand? Look on the old man. People, look on the old man. Look like him a suffer. And him look old man and work him honest bread. And the man and them no want pay the man. Oh Jesus. Me I say, look there, people, watch the video. Me do video, you know. Me gonna make you watch the video, but me John no man. He need to do better for Father God say, buy a sweater, blow, you shall eat bread. For find your sweater, you working honest money. I want them, they don't want pay. Jesus, peace. People, watch the video.
Front of the vehicle. She's a brutal. Murder! This is one for Mona View right now. So yo, where are the front of the man vehicle? Murder! It work, you don't want to pay you? What kind of work? Murder! You can't go around up here, you're about to kill me. Murder! You have to pay the man enough. Pay the man. Murder! The man who do not do that. Pay the man. Murder! What kind of work you do? Murder!